Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special unboxing video to share with you. If you are visiting my channel through Kari T's channel, I want to say thank you. I invite you to subscribe and join me for a future video. To my returning subscribers, hello. Thank you so much for showing up for me today. So today, it's a special video that I've really been looking forward to. Today I have a box of clothing. That's what this is. This is a reseller box swap. And I am doing a collaboration with a fabulous YouTuber in my eyes, Kari from Kari T Says. I'll put her channel name right here, but all of her social details will be in the description box below. And I encourage all of my viewers to go and visit Kari's channel to see what I sent Kari and her box of goodies. And also to just show her some love. I think you are going to love Kari. I am so pleased to introduce my viewers to Kari from Kari T Says, and this is why. This girl knows her fashion. Kari's channel is a lifestyle channel, but there is a heavy emphasis on reselling. She does fabulous thrift hauls. You will not believe what this girl finds. She finds the best stuff. I love to shop vicariously in the thrift stores with her. She also does ThredUp unboxings, and I think she's tried every single ThredUp rescue box that is out there. She will unbox Goodwill Blue Box as well as wholesale. Kari does sell brand new with tags Nordstrom's, Revolves. Girls, you have to check out Kari's Poshmark closet because she has fabulous offerings as well as very entertaining and informative videos. I found Kari T Says through YouTube. YouTube actually suggested her video. I'm so glad that they did. I have been following her ever since. I've learned a lot from her because she has such great knowledge about brands. She has cleaning tips. The little tips that she offers have been so very helpful to me, a novice reseller. I've been wearing clothes and loving fashion my whole life, but now that I am reselling on Poshmark, I've learned everything that I know to date through YouTube videos, and Kari T Says has some really fabulous informative videos, and her videos feel very conversational. I enjoy my morning coffee with a Kari T Says video. I feel like I am just conversing with a girlfriend. That's what her videos are like. I do think that you will enjoy her video, so make sure that you check out Kari T Says and show her some love. Tell her Kelly sent you. So Kari and I decided to send one another a box with 6 items in it to resell in our Poshmark closet. Kari sells on Depop and eBay as well, maybe some other platforms, I'm not certain. I'm a Poshmark seller currently. I hope to expand to eBay, but I'm scared of that. But I am so excited to see what is inside this box. It has been here for a couple days and I have been dying to open it. I want to open it with you. That was a long introduction. I'm gonna open the box now. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Okay, box is open. This is what it looks like. Oh gosh, she has everything wrapped in plastic. Ooh. So she went up to me there. I wrapped everything in one plastic. Let's just start with the first item. So this is the first piece. Okay, so this is the first piece. This is a pair of denim. This is Armani Exchange, a size 32. I like that size. Aren't these cute? I don't know if the light is picking this up. My light's not that good. I closed the window because I know my sunbeams bother some of you, but these are really nice. They're almost like a purple red color. Can you see that there? Yeah, kind of distressed. You see that whiskering there? Let's see what the bottoms look like. They are straight leg. So Armani Exchange. I do not have any Armani in my closet. You know I'm happy to add this to my closet. Okay, this looks so fun. So I saw the parrot and I thought that this might be Tommy Bahama, but it's not. This is Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville. And this is a sweatshirt from Atlantic City. Margaritaville Madness. Okay, look at that. So what size is this? Sorry, no glasses. This is a size medium. Oh, I might want to keep this one for myself. This is fun. Oh my goodness, what is this? These are so cool. This is by the brand Gen 7, and these are a leather looking, I mean, they're a pull-on. I don't know if they're a jegging or if these are a pant, and these are a size 8, which is really too small for me. I wore a size 8 earlier this year. Oh, these are so cute. So they look like a pebbled leather. They are brown if my light's not picking them up good. And yeah, these are like a jegging. So they do have a lot of stretch in them. Very nice. Pockets in the back. Can you see that? Sweet. Thank you, Kari. Oh, you guys, she is so sweet. And she knows I am a student at this point. She actually wrote designer. I didn't check the other bags to see if she was giving me pointers, but I really appreciate that. Thank you, Kari. She knows brands much, much better than I do. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? She's wrapped everything very nicely, which is nice because it has been very, very wet in New Mexico lately. So what do we have? Oh, this is Vince. I know Vince. Very nice. Okay, so this is, it's cream colored. This is like a white, is that a crew neck? Yeah, white crew neck. It's cream colored t-shirt, and this is a size extra large. Very, very happy to have this one. Okay, she wrote a note here, but I'm having a hard time reading it. Sorry, Kari, I got too excited. I wasn't reading your notes. Let me see if I can read the note. So her note says that this is a Valentine's Day collection. So look what we have. Woo! Okay, this is a piece of lingerie, and this is by the brand Very Sexy. That's Victoria's Secret. So we have, this is in perfect condition too. Looks little bitty. This is a 34B, and isn't that cute? So yeah, there's a Valentine's Day number for you. Next up, she sent shoes. What does she say? She says, love shoes. Aw. Oh, and you guys, I love this brand. These are new with tags. This is too much, Kari. Okay, these are J. Crew, new with tags. These are a leather slide sandal, brand new with tags. And J. Crew is one of my favorite brands. And I sell J. Crew. Yeah, they just make a fabulous product. So J. Crew, new with tags, thank you so much. There's more in here, guys, and here's, can you see that? She wrote for you. Very cool. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Okay, so this is a necklace, and it's got that great big shell and this twisted beadwork. So let me see if I can. So there you go. There's my necklace. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. There's one other thing. This is probably the note that I should have read first if I had any manners at all. Okay, no, she sent a postcard. Look how beautiful that is. And this says Adelaire Cologne, and she sent me a sample of cologne, which I always love samples because I wear the same cologne all the time unless I get a sample, and I can't open this, which is probably best. Oh, that's beautiful. It's very light. That smells really nice. So I'm excited to wear that on my next date night. I'll try that one out. I am so excited about the pieces that I received in this box. Kari, thank you so very much. Okay, a real quick recap. The J. Crew slides, leather, size 6, sweet shoes. And Valentine's Day is coming soon. Very sexy Victoria's Secret lingerie. Ooh, and then we got the Vince crew neck cream colored cotton. I think this is probably Pima cotton. I probably didn't tell you that. Pima cotton. You can feel it. And then the super cool leather looking pull-on leggings, jeggings in this brown leather look. Then this, which I would love to keep for myself, the Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville sweatshirt, very fun. And the Armani Exchange, you see that color? Okay, I don't know if my camera is reading out. I don't even know what this color is. Pinkish purple color, Armani Exchange denim, so much fun. Now, the next thing I'll do is research these pieces because I don't know what they will sell for on Poshmark. She sent everything clean. Thank you, Kari. I really appreciate that. I'll steam everything after I research it. I will photograph it and list it for sale on Poshmark. And I get to learn some new brands, and I got some pieces from New York. I really appreciate that. Now, Kari's getting a box from New Mexico, so be certain to pop over to her channel and see what I sent her. I will leave that link. It'll be the first link in the description below. Make sure you tell her that Kelly sent you, and guys, let me know how I did, okay? I mean, fingers crossed that Kari likes everything and that she is able to sell it in her Poshmark closet. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. I really, really appreciate it. And guess what? Kari and I already have another video collab working for the future. So make sure that you are subscribed and tap the bell so you will get a notification when that goes live. It's going to be a few months, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much, Kari. I really appreciate this fun box of clothes. Till we meet again, everyone. Blessings.